The corporate world is witnessing a new era where military-grade artificial intelligence, AI, is making its way into the work computer. These AI tools, which were initially designed for defense purposes, are now being used to spy on employees and to identify labor organizing activities. Employers are using subscriptions for services such as open-source intelligence, reputation management, and insider threat assessment, all of which were originally developed by defense contractors for intelligence uses. These tools have become dramatically more sophisticated as they are now powered by advanced data analytics, deep learning, and can access new data sources. One of the companies, 5Cast, that initially started as an anti-terrorism firm selling to the military, is now providing tools to corporations and law enforcement agencies. These tools can collect and analyze a plethora of publicly available data, including social media posts. 5Cast's offerings go beyond simple keyword analysis. They can identify networks of people, read text inside images, and even detect objects, emotions, and concepts inside multimedia content. For example, the Supply Chain Risk Management tool is designed to forecast future disruptions, such as strikes, for corporations. These sophisticated network analysis tools, originally developed to identify terrorist cells, can now be used to pinpoint key labor organizers, enabling employers to dismiss them illegally before a union forms. The use of these tools during recruitment could also deter employers from hiring individuals considered to be potential labor organizers. Furthermore, quantitative risk assessment strategies, initially intended to safeguard nations from attacks, are now informing corporate investment decisions based on the assessed capacity for labor organizing. However, it is debatable whether these tools live up to their promises. For instance, network analysis methods assign risk by association, which could result in an employee being flagged for simply following a certain social media page or account. Moreover, these systems are susceptible to manipulation by fake content and often rely on flawed assumptions, such as using emotion detection algorithms to signal complaints that might lead to unionization. Even if these surveillance tools are not entirely accurate, their mere presence can have detrimental effects. Corporate executives could act on vague data and retaliate against employees unfairly. The existence of such systems could also have a chilling effect on legally protected behaviors such as labor organizing. The organizations offering these surveillance services are thriving amidst regulatory neglect. They defend their products by branding them as tools for corporate awareness and emphasize that they only use publicly available information. However, the use of military-grade surveillance on the citizenry poses serious questions regarding privacy and the fundamental principles of a democratic society. It is crucial that companies deploying these tools be mandated to disclose their use, and that existing laws be enforced. New regulations are urgently needed to protect workers' rights and privacy. The National Labor Relations Board has already taken steps to outlaw intrusive and abusive labor surveillance. Additionally, workers and unions should actively participate in legislative hearings concerning the future regulation of AI and workplace surveillance. It is imperative that clear rules are established regarding the permissible uses of AI, data sources, and methods, as well as the conditions under which they can be deployed. As these technologies are being sold and deployed globally, active regulators need to become global leaders in responsible AI and work towards establishing international standards for workplace technologies. Without such proactive measures, multinational companies with global supply chains will exploit loopholes and bypass country-specific protections. In conclusion, it may be necessary to question the very existence of this market. Society needs to consider whether these surveillance tools should be allowed at all. The private lives of individuals, their associations, intentions, emotions, and thoughts should be protected from employer surveillance as a fundamental right.